How to disable USB accessories on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your device. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Face ID and passcode. For security purposes, you will be required to enter your device passcode to proceed. Once you are on the Face ID and passcode screen, you will see various options for controlling how the feature is used and manage all your passcode settings. Now, scroll all the way down and turn off the Switch for Accessories option. You have successfully disabled USB accessories from connecting to your locked iPhone, adding a layer of security to your device. Following these steps, you can easily disable USB accessories on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.